In this video, I'm going to teach you how to complete these chemical reactions. Some of you might find difficulty in doing this type of chemical reactions, but don't worry. I highly recommend you to watch the video up to the end, because in this video I'm going to give you 2 tricks that are very helpful in doing this type of chemical reactions. So without wasting any more time, let us come to the tricks. See, we see that here what happened, this is a dichromate ion, okay, in the acidic medium. So first you have to know this one. Potassium dichromate has 2 parts. The cationic part, we can write this one as 2K plus and Cr2O7 2 minus. This is the cationic part, okay, your cation, and then this one is your anion. And what else do we have? Acidic medium, sulfuric acid. This one we can write it as H plus and HSO4 minus. Okay, this is a proton. So what do we do here? We come to the tricks. The first simple trick, remember, first simple trick, what you do, the dichromate ion, you have your dichromate ion, okay, in acidic medium. Remember that potassium dichromate in acidic medium acts as a very strong oxidizing agent. So what you have here, you get Cr3 plus. From +6 oxidation state, we have the +3 oxidation state. That means reduction takes place. That's why potassium dichromate acts as a very strong oxidizing agent in acidic medium. And you have a water molecule. Now you balance this one. Here you have to multiply by 2. Here you have 7, so it should be 7. 7 into 2, 14, so you have 14. But now see, on the left hand side, if you calculate, okay, here you have -2, and then 14 into +1, you have 14, which is actually 12, right? So the charge on the right hand side, sorry, on the left hand side is 12, but on the right hand side it is, here it is +12, here it is +6. See, 1 Cr3 plus, it is +3. So if you have 2 Cr, then it is +6, okay. Here it is +6, here it is +12. So we see that the charge is not balanced. So what do we do in order to balance these two sides? We add 6 electrons. Once you add 6 electrons, that means you have +12 with -6, which is actually +6. Now you see that both the sides are balanced now in terms of charge, right? So this is your first trick. Now we come to the second trick. Okay, so see, iodide ion is oxidized to iodine. Okay, here you have to multiply by 2, which means 2 electrons are lost. Next you have Fe2 plus is oxidized to Fe3 plus. Here oxidation state is +2, here +3, so 1 electron is lost. And then C, you have your H2S. So H2S oxidizes to S, and then you have 2H plus. That means 2 electrons are lost. Okay, and then D, you have your nitrite ion to nitrate ion. Here the oxidation state of nitrogen is +3 and here it is +5. That means 2 electrons are lost. So you have to remember these two. These are 2 simple tricks which are very helpful in order to complete those chemical reactions. So let us do the first one. This one. So Okay, do like this. So you write the first trick, Cr2O7 2 minus in acidic medium, okay, and then with 6 electrons. Here you have Cr3 plus, and then water molecule. Here you have 2, here you have 14, right? Now what happened? Iodide ion is oxidized to iodine. Now you write this one is oxidized to iodine plus 2 electrons. Now what we do? We multiply by 3 so that this one will be cancelled with this, okay? And then you add them up together. What do you have? Cr2O7 2 minus 14H plus, and then this one with this get cancelled, and then you have 6I minus 2Cr3 plus, and then 7H2O plus 3I2. So what are the products? See, I'm writing it here. You have 2Cr3 plus 7H2O 3I2, and here you have 6, here you have 14. Next we come to the second one, this one. Again those tricks, okay? Now first I write Cr2O7 2 minus in acidic medium, okay, 6 electrons. We have 2Cr3 plus 7H2O. Here we have 14, okay? Now Fe2 plus oxidizes to Fe3 plus, Fe2 plus oxidizes to Fe3 plus, 1 electron is lost, okay? Now I have to multiply by 6 so that this one gets cancelled with this. Then add them up together. You have Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus, this one with this get cancelled, and then you have 6 Fe2 plus 2Cr3 plus 7H2O and 6 Fe3 plus. So what do you get? You have 2Cr3 plus 7H2O plus 6 Fe3 plus. Here you have 14 and here you have 6, okay? We are done with the second one. Now we come to the third one. What is that? Okay, this one, okay? So similarly here we have the first trick, Cr2O7 2 minus in acidic medium, okay, 6 electrons, and then you have 2Cr3 plus, and then 7H2O. Here you have 14, okay? So H2S we know in the second trick, okay, oxidizes to sulfur, and then you have 2H plus and 2 electrons are lost, okay? Here I have to multiply by 3 so that this one gets cancelled with this. Now add them up together. We have Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus, and then this one with this get cancelled, and we have 3H2S here, 2Cr3 plus 7H2O, and then 3S and 6H plus, okay? Now see here, or here we have 14H plus and 6H plus, then Cr2O7 2 minus 14H plus minus 6H plus, you have 8H plus plus 3H2S, and then you have 2Cr3 plus 7H2O plus 3S. So what are the products? Here you have 2Cr3 plus 7H2O 3S. Here you have 8, here you have 3. Okay, we come to the last one, this one. Okay, first trick, Cr2O72 minus in acidic solution, in acidic medium, 6 electrons. We have 2Cr3 plus 7H2O. Here we have 14. Okay, and then we know that nitrite ion oxidizes to nitrate ion, and we have seen that 2 electrons are lost. Okay, so I have to multiply by 3. So add them up together. We have 14H plus, this one get cancelled with this, and then we have 3NO2 minus 2Cr3 plus 7H2O plus 3NO3 minus. So here we have 2Cr3 plus 7H2O plus 3NO3 minus, and here we have 14, 3. So this is how we complete these chemical reactions using those two helpful tricks.